Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you are going to connect your LED lights and temperature sensors with the help of resistors and jumper wires. If you can see on the screen, you can see a LED light and a resistor placed in the breadboard. Make sure that one end of the LED light is connected to the ground and one end of the resistor is connected to the voltage pin. Now, whenever I say the numbering in this video, it always resembles the physical numbering, that is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 40. It's not the numbering that we are giving in the Python script. Python scripts has numbering of physical logical numbering, that is GPIO pins numbering. Remember, the two LED lights and the temperature sensor, one end will always be connected to the ground because we need to close this circuit, and the additional pins are for voltage. The temperature has another additional pin called data. If you can see my screen, the black jumping wire is used as a ground and the red is used to connect to the voltage using 22k resistor. The blue resistor which I am using is 20k ohms, and for temperature sensor you will be using 4k 7 ohms. Both the green and LED resistors are 22k ohm, and you can see the connections are pretty similar. Same connection which you are giving for green LED light will be the same for red LED light. If you can see, I am going to connect to the Raspberry Pi pins. You can see the physical number is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 from top, and you are going to connect. The physical numbering is already given in the link. You can check in the description. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This red color is the voltage. Okay. And the black wire is used for grounding. The physical number 6 is used for ground. Out of 40 pins, there are like 4 to 5 grounded pins. You can check the specification of the Raspberry Pi. Same way, connect your green LED light. This blue color wire is nothing but your voltage. Just connect to the pins. Be careful while connecting it. And your black wire is used for ground. We can see the physical number is 39. The ground, it is connected. We are good with the setup of green LED light and red LED light. This is how. You can see the temperature sensor. The temperature sensor which you are seeing now is having 3 pins. The name should be visible to our side, so that the leftmost is called the grounded pin, the rightmost is called the voltage pin, and the middle pin is called as data pin. Make sure that you are placing it proper. See, the naming which is appearing over here will be facing our side, so that the leftmost is the grounded pin, rightmost is called the voltage pin, and the middle one is called the data pin. If you can see here, these are logical numbering which and these 1, 2, 3 are called physical numbering. You can see previously we have connected one pin to the ground and the other pin to the voltage, 6 and 7. And if you can see here, the other one, the red light, we are connected to 39th pin, that is ground. Likewise, we need to connect our voltage pin as well of the temperature sensor to 3V3 power, that is pin 1. Let's see how. If you can see the screen, the middle pin is the data pin, which we are connecting one end of the 4K7 resistor to data pin, and the other end toward right side we are calling this as the voltage pin. Don't forget, the leftmost part is the grounded pin, the middle part is called the data pin, and the rightmost is called the voltage pin. Now we are going to connect this voltage pin to pin number 1, physical number pin number 1. See how. take a jumper wire, connect to the end of the voltage pin and connect to the physical number 1. Now take another jumper wire, connect it to the data pin, middle one, and connect to whatever physical number mentioned in the description. Now we have to ground this circuit to close. Take another jumper wire. I am using white color jumper wire to connect it, and see wherever the ground pin is left. In this way we have made connections with all your LED lights and temperature sensor. Once again, have a view how it is connected. Just check it. All pins are visible. If you want to see, you can see over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7th, and see how they are plugged. So by the coloring of jumper wires, it will be easy for you to connect by seeing this video. You can see how these connections are made. Hope this will help you.